What is up, Blast Off Crypto family? So today we are going to be going over how to fix the PancakeSwap issue that I know a lot of iPhone users are having. I have the same issue, and ultimately I have stopped using PancakeSwap. And kind of in this video, I'm going to explain to you what is happening to me, and let me know if this is something that's happening to you guys. So first, let's go to PancakeSwap. So I was playing with it earlier, just trying to figure out and make sure that this doesn't actually work, because again, this hasn't been working for me and I'm just trying to fix it. So what I have done is I have connected my wallet. I've clicked wallet. I've connected. You can tell my wallet is there. Now I'm going to click on trade once this loads. Okay, now you see I have a balance of my BNB right there, and I'm looking to buy some Shiborg. Today it's doing well. I want to buy some more of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in a number, BNB to Shiborg. Click confirm swap. It's going to take me over to Wallet Connect, and it's going to say connecting may take a few seconds. Give it a little time. And bam, Wallet Connect session was disconnected. Now, originally this was working for me, so I don't know what exactly happened, but again, I'm having issues with it now to where it's not working anymore. So what I ended up changing to is I started using PooCoin. Now, in PooCoin, it's pretty simple, and it seemed to always work for me. So what we're going to do is, instead of going to PancakeSwap, we're going to go to PooCoin. We're going to connect our wallet. We're going to go to Wallet Connect, and then we are going to go to type in Shiborg. All right. So we got Shiborg there. It shows my balance of it. And what we are going to do is we're going to go into trade. We're going to go into max. And then we are going to go into buying some. Like I said, I want to buy some of this. As I talked about in another video, just click on 1%. We're going to keep it at 1. That way we don't lose as much. It should still go through. We're going to click swap. And now, bam, the smart contract call. It's come up. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go back. Sorry, guys. I'm going to go back and buy a little bit more because I don't want to be paying more than my actual fee is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click max again. We're going to go one less than that. Let's click max. How many do I want? Let's just go for 1. Okay, so we're gonna click swap. Same thing is gonna happen. So now I'm gonna end up buying $39 of it. Okay, $39. Here we go. We're going to click confirm. Now, like I said in another video, you know it's working when that 1 comes across that smart chain. Give it a couple seconds. And bam, it was executed. If I refresh this again, you notice I now have $57 when it comes to smart chain. That 1 has gone away. And I now have $56 in Shiborg. Whereas before I had 24 and now I have 56. Let me know if this video helped today. As I mentioned earlier, I am here to help you guys out. I have recently gotten into this crypto tokens, and I'm learning just as much as you guys are. Every day I learn something, so if there's something I'm doing wrong, let me know in the comment section. I'm always here to learn. I'm here to give you guys tips and tricks whenever I find out new stuff. I'm going to be coming out with more videos daily. If you guys like this content and you want more videos like this, or you have any other questions you want me to make a video about, let me know. And let's all grow our portfolios together. Right now, the crypto world is crazy. There's a lot of money to be made. So why not only me, but everyone else watching this video, let's go out and make some money. All right, Blast Off Crypto. I hope you guys have a good day.